If you need to request a refund from Steam for a purchase, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to ensure you complete your refund request successfully. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client and log in with your account credentials. Make sure you are using the account that made the purchase. Step 2. Access the help section. Navigate to the help section on the Steam homepage. You can find this option in the top menu. Click on it to access various support options. Step 3. Select Purchases. In the Help section, look for the Purchases option. Click on it to view a list of your recent transactions. This will allow you to find the specific purchase you want to refund. Step 4. Choose the item for refund. From your list of purchases, select the game or item you wish to refund. Click on it to view more details and the refund options available for that specific purchase. Step 5. Submit a refund request. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request. You will need to provide a reason for the refund and confirm your request. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your refund status. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates on your refund request. If approved, the funds will be returned to your original payment method.